get my alarm off, but it was good.
Dude, that thing was crazy, bro. Oh god. Oh my god. So we have the final exhaust tip. Hey Brian. So the final exhaust tip is on right now, and so we're about to do the final fitment. It's looking pretty nice, man. Honestly, like it's like just right there, the clearance on there. So we'll see if off-road it starts hitting the bumper. But so far, I mean, like the install was pretty okay. I mean, it wasn't like terrible.
You go down this way more on
So
this side.
you can see it right there.
I could see it kind of like the gappage is not.
This gap looks a little less than this.
Looks pretty tucked in there, high clearance.
Shit.
Super nice.
That's good right there.
And this is the final fitment. Okay, ready? Just like that, go. Oh, failed. What is this?
Oh, 17. I need a 15.
Should get the right socket, guys. Good.
One more. One more. It's got play up there, that's why.
Just like that.
Need to tighten it more.
No, I think it's good.
Turn it on, bro.
All right.
Let's lower it and turn it on.
Okay, so got everything in. The exhaust right there looking good. Here it is from the bottom side. Super clean. All right, let's lower it. All right, guys, so we took the old exhaust off. I gave my old exhaust to Sunny, which is holding the camera right now. And so yeah, what's left is just going to the parts bin. This is just the old tailpipe with the resonator. We're not going to be reusing this, so this will just get tossed. But yeah, the install was pretty straightforward if you have the right tools.
It was easy.
Yeah, it was easy. It was easy. You just make sure you need a jack, because to take that tailpipe off, the axle needs to drop to make room. So that was one thing we didn't take into consideration. And Sunny's truck, we were gonna just do an easy swap, but I didn't know he had a cat shield, and the key to the cat shield was not present. We didn't have it, so we couldn't do it. But I mean, yeah, so far, right now Brian is just wiping it down just so that when it heats up, no fingerprints or any oils are gonna like get marked on the exhaust. So yeah, it'll be a couple seconds until we, give it a first startup. What do you think?
Didn't get my alarm off, but it was good.
Sounds good.
It does. It sounds deep.
The,
Like a clean rumble.
I like the idle.
You can check the leaks.
What do you think? Has leaks?
Yeah.
Okay, let's test it out. squeak, my brakes might. Oh, that's embarrassing!
I did it when the brakes are cold.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's because of my new brake pads.
Dude, that carbon fiber hood looks sick. Oh god. Oh my god.
Wastegate?
Doesn't that wastegate sound insane?
That sounds good.
Okay, hold on. When he comes back. So this is the truck right here. And here, drive to the spot.
Alright. Oh yeah.
Be careful, it's super touchy.
It was already touchy as it is. I was like, what? This is not like my 4Runner.
Seatbelt. So apparently Brian is saying that see how it's kind of like smoking a little bit? Apparently that's normal, right? So Brian, here, you want to give an explanation of why it does that?
Yeah, because in the pipe, there's oils in there, and it's just burning all the oils out of that pipe. So it's gonna be like that for a couple 100 miles. You just gotta drive it, and then it'll go clear out.
The idle sounds great though. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, all right, you want to give us some revs?
Oh my god.
All right, again. Dude, that sounds like a fucking gun.
Sounds like a freaking sports car. What the hell?
All right, let's hop in. Cop.
Yeah. Make it right. Just gonna stop out that way.
That's not even the fastest mode, so it's still recording. Gonna slow down?
Yeah.
Okay. Fun time's over. we have to be respectful to you know.
To the hood.
Yeah.